Alright guys, Model Rocks 321 here. About to launch the Vulcan. Out of production Centuri kit. 1952 to 1982. Recently found this. Did a little restore. I did find out that the canopy is missing, so I'm going to have to fashion a canopy since I don't have that part when I got it from this guy. It wasn't included. So I will be doing that. But let's get launching. Model Rocks 321. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, watch out. All right, so that was the mini engine. I forgot to say what I used. That was a mini engine with an adapter. Really didn't go that high, probably, what, 30 feet, if that. But landed okay. I'm going to fly it again. I have a couple more engines, so let's give it a shot. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that thing is crazy. I don't know what's wrong with this rocket. So there we have another launch. Kind of flying unstable. I don't know what's going on with the Vulcan. Luckily it's light enough where it ain't really getting damaged. Just kind of fluttered. And let's check it out. Parachute's right there. That was an A83. And let's try again. Alright, Model Rocks 321 here. So far the Vulcan is flying a little unstable. It's kind of just fluttering up in the air and then dropping. I flew it on the mini engine first. That was underpowered. I had a mini engine with an adapter. Then I flew it on the A83 and that just kind of just flipped off the pad. So I'm gonna fly again on a B. I think I have a B44 in there, so I'm gonna fly it on that. Now we're gonna see what happens after that. Model Rocks 321. Launch.
3, 2, 1.
Unstable, just crazy. I don't know, this rocket, I don't know. The Vulcan don't seem to be stable. Just kind of flipping off the pad. That was on a B. I tried a half a A, I tried a B. I have a C, but so far it's just falling to the ground. Nothing real good yet. Oh, way over there, I don't know if you guys can see, but we got some biplanes taking off. I've seen this group flying before. They even let smoke out sometimes, so it's a group of them. You saw them earlier? That what you were looking at? Them? Aren't they gonna come this way? I think they're going the other way. Cool. But yeah, so the Vulcan, I don't know. So far, nothing. So that was I'm not even gonna try a C. I'm gonna leave it as is. So that's the end of this one. All right, guys, Model Rocks 321, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also on Instagram at Model Rockets 321. I'm gonna look this over. I'll probably add the canopy, but I'm not sure if I'm even gonna bring this back out again. It's just not really a flyer. It just kind of boost and then flip around and fall back to the ground. So that's it. We'll be back out with another one. Like I said, hit the thumb up on the video and subscribe to the channel. Peace. So you just saw what I just saw and witnessed and attempted. I don't know. The Vulcan was kind of not flying. It was just kind of flipping off the pad. The first flight was on this. This is an adapter. It's a mini engine. It's a half A, half A3. What is it? Half A3T, 2T? Yeah. It's a half A3 2T mini engine. It boosted. Just kind of got exhausted and fell to the ground. So that was that one. And then the next flight was on a A83, which is right here. Flipped off the pad again, fell to the ground. And the third one was on a B44. So I don't know what to make of this, what we just saw. Unstable, something. I know this cone isn't the original cone, it's the balsa cone, but I don't think that should have affected it that much. Maybe, I don't know if the original cone was balsa or pointed with a little bit of nose weight, but it is what it is. That's what what just took place. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring this back out again. I might be able to resolve the issue. And still may want to get the canopy built and put on there just so it's fully as it was. Shout out to Starship, I think his name is Starship, one of my followers, subscribers, who had actually looked up the plans on Jim Z, and this actually came with a canopy. So it'd be pretty nice. I may get that built still, but I'm not sure if I'm going to take this back out to fly. After that, that was horrible. So it was 0 for 3, just pretty much fell to the ground. But I'll be back out with more launches. building the Saturn V really soon. We'll start working on that, and that'll be the major build. And I still will be getting out and doing some launch videos for you guys, and dropping other little videos in between. But the Saturn V will be one build video as I work on that. And on Instagram, I'll post little images and clips and pictures of it, things like that. I did order a 3D fin set from Voice Aerospace for my Saturn, because that hard ground out there where I fly, I just want no one taking chances with those vacuum form parts. So even I'm not sure how strong they are, but I think that fin can, or that fin, those fins for it will be a nice touch. So I added that. I'm going to add that. So, all right, guys, that's all for it. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Be back with more.